I'm very happy and excited to be here at Pride Cymru.
Break down barriers and build confidence.
I've been incredibly lucky to have been in a place where you can walk down the road with your partner, be they male, female, anyone in between, and feel the love and support that we have felt today.
Do you have